In this video, we'll demonstrate how to seamlessly showcase your Spotify activity on Discord, allowing your friends to see what you're listening to. But before we dive into this guide, don't forget to hit that like button if you're excited to enhance your Discord experience. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content, tailored just for you. Let's get started. If you've ever wondered how to display your current Spotify song on Discord, you're in the right place. Follow these simple steps to make your music preferences visible to others. Firstly, navigate to the settings icon at the bottom left of Discord, denoted by a gear. Once you're in settings, look for the Connections tab on the left-hand side. Here, you'll find various account options to link with Discord. Specifically, select the Spotify logo. This will open a web browser where you'll need to log into your Spotify account. If you're already logged in, it will automatically connect your Spotify to Discord. Once done, close the browser and return to Discord. Ensure that both options, Display on Profile and Display Spotify as your status, are toggled on. Now, press Escape to exit the settings. To test, play a song on Spotify. Return to Discord. Tap on your profile, and voila! Your Spotify activity is now visible, showing the song you're currently listening to. This feature enhances your presence on Discord, allowing server members to see your musical preferences. Remember, you can always adjust these settings in the User Settings under the Connections tab. It's that easy, and your friends will appreciate the musical insights. If you found this guide useful, please take a moment to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments.